Hello children, I am your Deepa ma'am, class teacher of UKG. Children, today I am going to teach you EVS. And in the last video of EVS, you have studied about my school. So, let's have a revision of that lesson. My school, principal's office, teacher's room, canteen, classroom, computer lab, library. And in this part, you have learned many more spellings like school building, playground, watchman, peon, school bus, and the spelling of main gate. After this oral revision, get ready with your sharp pencil for written work. This is our first EVS notebook work. So let's start. This is your EVS copy, children. Now open your EVS copy. Turn this page. Turn this page. And we will start writing from this page. Okay? So we will write here date. 11 August 2020. Okay, now we will write heading. You will leave this place and you will write from here. Put a dot, curve it, take a slanting line, and from that slanting line come towards down line and again make a slanting line and come down. Curve it and make a Y. This is MY, my. After my, we will write school. Take a slanting line, curve it, and take this curving line across from the slanting line. This is S. Now after S, C, H, double O, and last letter is L. MY, my. SCHOOL, school, my school. Children, in this lesson you are going to write those things spelling which are used in schools. Okay? After writing heading, you will write here C dot W dot. Okay? See, this is your heading, children. After heading, you will write here 1. Dash. Small 1, make dash and then write the first spelling, which is bell. Now children, here we are going to make capital cursive B. Put pencil on the top line and take it downward, and from the back side make a half circle like this, and then again a half circle and curve it from inside. This and this will be at equal place. Okay children, this is B, Which letter is this? B. Capital cursive B. B E double L. And this is bell. B E double L. Bell. After bell, on second number, write 2. After bell, write here 2, make a dash and write desk. Now we will make a capital cursive D. Now see, take a slanting line towards bottom line, third line, curve it from the back, and now take a curve line which will go top of the line, and from the outside this will touch on the second line, and this is D. D E S K. Desk. How we have written D? Now see, take a slanting line, curve it, set it on the third line, and curve it, take that curved line on the top of the fourth line, and then take that line from outside of the slanting line and touch it on the second line, and little you have to push it up, and this is D. D E S K. Desk. Okay, after desk, write number 3. Now on third number, after desk we will write bench. Again, take a slanting line towards third line, and from this slanting line curve it from the back and make a B. E N C H. Bench. After bench, on number 4 we will write chalk. Put pencil here on the third line and slant it, go at the top of the line and make a capital cursive C. H A L K. Chalk. Okay, write here number 5, a small 5, make dash, and after chalk you have to write duster. Now again we will make a D like this. Take a slanting line towards third line, curve it from the back. Now take this curve, touch it on the top line and curve it, and across the slant line. D U S T E R. Ter. D-U-S-T. Dust. E-R-R. Duster. After duster, you will write on number 6, pencil. P. Children, like B only, you will make P. Slanting line, and from at the back take that curve and touch it here inside. P. From here E N. Pen. C I L. Sil. Pencil. Okay, now 7th number, eraser. After pencil, what you will write? Spelling of eraser. Make a small E, small cursive E, then curve it like a C. Go here towards the second line, make R here. E R A S E R. eraser. Okay. Now on the 8th number, after eraser you will write notebook. Put a dot, curve it and make a cursive N like this, slanting line and again slanting line and little curve it. See, curve it, take a slanting line and from the upward to downward you will take a slanting line and again a slanting line and curve it. N O T E, note. B double O K, book, notebook. On 9th number, you all will write classroom. Put your pencil here on the 3rd line and take slanting line towards top line and make C. This is C. Now L, A, double S, then R, double O and M. This is classroom. CLASS, class, ROOM, room, classroom. After 9, 10. Children, you will make all these numbers very small. Okay? Small. In the between line, you have to write these numbers. 1, 0, 10. And we will write here blackboard. Take a slanting line from the top line towards here on the 3rd line and now curve it from the back and touch it here on the top and from there make half circle. Keep your pencil here, then from there only make one another half circle and little curve it. Children, remember this portion and this portion will be at equal side. Okay? This is capital cursive B. Now make small letters B, L, A, C, K, black, B, O, A, R, D. Blackboard. BLACK, black. BOARD, board. Blackboard. Revise with me, children. This is heading My School. The first spelling is bell, BELL, bell. Second spelling is DESK, desk. Third spelling is BENCH, bench. Fourth spelling is CHALK, chalk. Fifth spelling is DUSTER, duster. Sixth spelling is PENCIL, pencil. Seventh spelling is ERASER, eraser. Eighth spelling is NOTE, note. BOOK, book, notebook. Children, do you know? जिसे आप कॉपी कहते हैं और जिस पे आप लिखने का काम करते हैं उसे नोटबुक भी कहा जाता है. That thing on which you are writing, that thing is called notebook also. Understood? So this is the spelling of notebook. Ninth spelling is CLASS class, ROOM room, classroom. 10th spelling is BLACK black, BOARD board, blackboard. Understood? So these were 10 spellings of those things which are related with school. So this was your EVS work, children. You will do this work very properly in good handwriting with sharp pencil. And children, pay attention. You will not use this page. Understood? आपको इस पेज पर कुछ भी नहीं लिखना है और हमेशा EVS कॉपी में इधर इस साइड की पेज पर आपको वर्क करना है. Understood?